For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. As turbulence may occur at any time, we encourage you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaping, as well as consuming cannabis or personal alcohol. In-flight service will begin shortly. Please refer to the menu in your seat back, which lists items for purchase on today's flight. Lavatories are located at the front and back of the aircraft. Please use the lavatories located within your assigned cabin. Economy guests may use the forward lavatory when service is being conducted. If it's occupied, please wait at row 4. We would like to extend a special welcome to WestJet Rewards members and guests of our airline partners. Refer to your seatback literature or ask a cabin crew member for more details on how to join WestJet Rewards or to apply for the WestJet RVC MasterCard.
Pour votre sécurité, veuillez rester assis et garder votre ceinture bouclée jusqu'à ce que le voyant pour les ceintures soit éteint. Des turbulences peuvent survenir à tout moment.